I'm Brandon Ritchie, I'm 23, and I'm a photographer. I've always loved photography, growing up, doing videos, taking photos, just for fun. Just wanted to make it into a career of mine, make it so I could do that for the rest of my life, do something I enjoy.
What we got here, this is the main camera I use, Canon 50D, it's all Canon gear. So all the lenses and flashes can all be used within each other. This here is my Canon EOS 1V, this is straight film camera. As you can see, there's no digital back on it, it's 35mm film. It's a lot of fun to play with, but it's a lot of work. You gotta have dark when we're working to use that. So what we have here is a 7200 image stabilizer right here. This is a very nice lens. I love using this. One of my favorites. This is just more along the lines of a basic lens right here. The 55-200 millimeter zoom that comes with the camera. Pretty basic. And this here is a ring flash. And what this does actually is it attaches on to the lens. It doesn't go to either of these lenses. It screws right on here, and so you get a nice balanced light around the person's face as you take a photo. Let's see. And then next we have here is a few flashes. About as simple as they get. You know, throw it on top of the camera, turn it on, and you get a flash. Got a few of those. That's basically all you need for the most basic setup. For taking a nice short photo. So that's what we got there. That's what it looks like all put together.